In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of the Tesla menu switch not opening. If you're having trouble accessing the menu using the scroll wheel or touchscreen controls, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try. First, check if your Tesla is running the latest software version. Go to Controls, Software. Check for updates and install any available updates, as software bugs can sometimes cause issues with controls. Next, try resetting the touchscreen. To do this, hold down both scroll buttons on the steering wheel for about 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts. This often resolves unresponsive touchscreen problems. If the issue persists, inspect the physical scroll wheel or button on the steering wheel. Dust, dirt, or wear can interfere with its functionality. Clean it gently using a soft cloth or compressed air. If the scroll wheel feels physically damaged or overly stiff, you may need to contact Tesla service for a replacement. Another option is to perform a full system reset. Hold down the two scroll wheels for 20 to 30 seconds until the car powers off completely, then restart it. This resets all systems and can resolve persistent control issues. Finally, if none of these steps work, reach out to Tesla support or schedule a service appointment. They can diagnose deeper hardware or software problems that might require professional repair. If this video helped you fix the Tesla menu switch issue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.